As it turns out, plants are more than just a pretty face. In addition to helping you get your vitamins, plants can +1 your focus and attention according to scientists. Simply having a budding buddy in the room with you while you study can have a beneficial impact on your academics. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all our fresh content. If you like learning with us and growing your mind, please give us a thumbs up. This small show of support helps us out so much and also allows others to find our content easier when they need it. So go ahead and pay it forward. The effects of plants in the study space were noted in areas like stress levels, project conduct, and emotional response. All of these factors directly influence your productivity and motivation. These studies all focused specifically on indoor potted plants in workspaces. Up to a 15% increase in productivity was shown when compared to a more barren workplace. That's a huge boost. Now, of course, these estimates fluctuate between some factors like gender and age and of course workspace, but that is still a significant payoff for what is a comparably minute investment. Even memory retention is boosted by their presence, which is an ideal characteristic for a study space. But wait, there's more! One study also showed up to a 15% rise in creativity for all you art majors out there. For everyone left who has not rushed straight to the garden department for a flowering friend already, I also wanted to acknowledge that less is sometimes more. This is true because having a plant in your study space can take just as much as it can give. Significant decreases were noted in areas such as a 37% reduction in anxiety, a 58% reduction in low spirits. Frustration can be reduced up to 44%, and lethargy by 38%. I, for one, don't think I will miss any of these. If Petunia wants them so bad, she can have them. It was further noted that plants had a positive effect on lowering blood pressure as well as how you perceive your surroundings. Just letting your eyes fall on the plant might add the quick pick-me-up you need to reset your attention. This can lead to better performance and the ability to focus longer. With this ability, it is theoretically possible that the benefits of your breaks can be essentially amplified, though more testing is still needed in this area. Having a potted plant in close proximity to a study space has also shown a correlation with taking sick days. The strongest relationship was noted when plants are within 1 meter of the workspace. This effect also increases with the number of plants found in the overall space. One possible explanation, besides the visual improvements to the surroundings that plants provide, is the notable reduction in carbon dioxide. Meet the professor. He lives on my desk and knows the answers to everything. He has been my study buddy for a couple years now and nearly self-pollinated when he saw me working on this video. Do you have a plant in your study space? Let me know what kind in the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single video. If you are so inclined, give us a thumbs up so we know you want more videos like this. Also, check out our website to get exclusive content and study materials. Just click the link in the description. Or, since you're already here, check out our study hacks and our organizational tips playlists to help you stay on top of not only schoolwork, but life as well. Be absolutely prepared, absolutely confident, absolutely stunning, with absolutely studying.